Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to wire up the LED grill lights on the 2021 F-150. So what I did, I looked on YouTube and everywhere and just couldn't find anything that I was looking for. So I'm gonna show you. Bought these lights off of Amazon. So I just took the wires from those lights, led them through here to the fuse box. And as you can see, the fuse number 20, that one right there, I just put it behind the fuse. So I guess I don't have a switch to turn them off or whatever, but now when I start my truck, they just turn on. They always stay on. But yeah, pretty easy, but was looking for a while and couldn't find anything, so that's how I did it. Works good.